Hey everyone! If you've been wondering how to turn your blog posts into engaging videos, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Pictory, a super easy tool that converts written content into professional-looking videos in just a few clicks. The first step is to create your Pictory account. If you haven't signed up yet, head over to Pictory.ai and sign up for a free account. You can also upgrade to access more features, but the free plan will work just fine for testing it. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, we can start turning that blog post into a video. Now, let's upload your blog post. On the dashboard, you'll see options to either text to video or URL to video. I'll choose URL to video for this demo. You can select the type of video depending on your topic and purpose. In my case, it's an explainer video. Once selected, just click Generate Script. Pictory will automatically pull out the key points from your blog post. Once your text is uploaded, you'll see a preview of the video script that Pictory has generated. You can adjust this script by either editing the text directly or choosing different sections of your blog post to focus on. If you want, you can ask Pictory's AI to make it more engaging, or add examples, or even improve the tone. Play around with it until you're happy with the result. Next, choose the aspect ratio for your video: horizontal, vertical, or square, depending on the platform you're going to use it on. Want your brand to shine through? Click here to add your logo, brand colors, and font. Personalize your video and make it truly yours. Here's an example of my brand elements. Also, choose your scene settings. Pictory can create scenes based on sentences or line breaks, highlight keywords, and select visuals using AI. And then click Generate Video. Pictory will automatically match your script with relevant stock footage, images, and animations. You can also upload your own visuals if you prefer. To upload, simply click on the Visual section, then Upload My Videos, and select images or video clips from your computer. Alternatively, you can find the perfect image in their library. Just search for a keyword like bookshelf and choose the one you like. To replace the image in the slide, simply click Replace Visual. Be sure to go through each slide to ensure all images and text match perfectly. Now it's time to add a voiceover or background music to your video. Pictory offers you 3 options. AI-generated voice. Choose from a variety of voices and accents. Royalty-free music. Pick a track from their collection. Or upload your own voiceover. I'll upload my own now. Here it is. I can apply it to my video, and Pictory will automatically sync it with the visuals. Let's preview it to ensure everything looks and sounds good. Did you know that 79% of customers trust reviews just like personal recommendations? Reviews significantly influence book sales. This is why securing book reviews is pivotal for your marketing strategy. The more positive reviews you receive, the more credible your book appears. In case you don't want to show captions, you can easily turn them off here. And now you will have a clean video with just a voiceover. Did you know that 79% of customers trust reviews just like personal recommendations? To quickly resize it, click here and choose a format, like a square. This will make your video suitable for other platforms and use cases. Once you're happy with the result, hit download. If you're on the free plan, your video will include watermarks. For a clean, high-resolution video, you'll need to upgrade to the paid plan, starting at $19 a month. The link is provided below this video. And that's it. You've successfully turned your blog post into a stunning video using Pictory. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you won't miss our next content creation tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.